Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your car. First, make sure your car's ignition is on and it's safely in park. Next, grab your mobile device and activate its Bluetooth feature, usually found in the settings menu. Then, head over to your car's infotainment system and find the Bluetooth settings. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth connection process, ensuring both devices are ready to pair. Now that both devices are ready, it's time to pair them. On your car's infotainment screen, select the option to add new device or pair device. Simultaneously, on your phone, you should see your car's name appear in the list of available Bluetooth devices. Tap on it. A pairing code, typically a 4- or 6-digit number, will then display on both screens. Confirm that these codes match to proceed with the connection. Once the pairing codes are confirmed, your phone might ask for permissions to access contacts or media. Grant these to fully utilize your car's Bluetooth features. To ensure everything is working correctly, try playing some audio from your phone or making a quick hands-free call. If you encounter any issues, double-check that both devices have Bluetooth enabled and that you've entered the correct passcode. Sometimes, simply restarting both devices can resolve minor glitches. To maintain a smooth Bluetooth experience, consider a few advanced tips. Regularly delete old, unused Bluetooth connections from your car's memory to prevent clutter. Also, keep your car's infotainment software updated. Manufacturers often release updates that improve Bluetooth stability and features. While Bluetooth is convenient, for the highest audio quality and simultaneous charging, a direct USB connection is often a superior option. Enjoy your connected driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.